Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you 3 most profitable places where you can make passive income in 2022. Before we get into this, I want to tell you to subscribe this channel because in the next 1 year here I'm gonna show you methods how I intend to make $1 million in 1 year. Now, for those of you that don't like to wait until the end of the video to see everything I have to explain about those 3 places where you can make passive income in 2022, I'm gonna shortly show you the places and after we're gonna debate them. First place is cex.io. You create account and after, if you press here on spot trading, after you registered and send documents for verification, everything you have earned. We're gonna debate this later. Now the second place, it's Wirex. If you go to grow, of course here you have to register to send documents for verification. You press on grow and you have earn and duo. We're gonna debate this later as well. And the third place, it's Radium, where you don't need to make an account. For this place you just need a Phantom wallet. You add your Phantom wallet to your browser, you connect it to Radium, and when you go to Radium they're gonna take you straight to the swap page, but you have pools, farms and stacking on the left here. And let's go to the farms just as an example. Staking, fusion, ecosystem, and look the APR, annual returns, 438, 1604, and so on. So those 3 places are cex.io, Wirex and Radium. And now let's debate them. Let's start with the first one, with cex.io. You created your account, you add some funds, you can add USD, Euros, GBP and cryptocurrency if you want to bring from another exchange or from another wallet. Alright, so after you make a deposit using one of the deposit methods available for you, you just press on cex.io icon and you're gonna be on the trading area. Let's go to earn. In the menu, go stacking, and here you have all the list and the return, yearly return. You select from this list one of the cryptocurrency you're gonna use for stacking. For example, let's take MetaHash. Yes, with a 14% yearly return. You go back on trading, you search for MHC, and for example if you want to buy with US dollars, you select it from the list. You're gonna be on the exchange MetaHash USD trading. You're gonna go to market and how much USD you want to spend. 100. Oops. 100. You're gonna buy 6666 MXC and press on buy now. And after you buy it, automatically it's gonna appear on the stacking area on, where is it? Right here on this line. It's gonna show you live income here. To be able to use cex.io, you don't need a wallet. You just need to deposit money with a card or by any other deposit method available for you. Let's go on add funds again, and you have all those payment methods here. You select one available for you, or if you want you can bring from another place cryptocurrency, but they're gonna ask you to justify the money. You cannot make from, I don't know, from other sources, and you cannot justify and to bring the money here. You need to justify your money. For example, I'm using the money that I have from my work income, and they asked me a proof of the income, and I gave the last I showed them my last 3 months payments from work, and I can use it. Now let's move to the second one, to the Wirex. Alright, so on Wirex as well, you're gonna have to create account, send documents for verification. After you are approved, they may ask you the proof of income as well. Here as well I sent my last 3 payments from work, so I can use it. And on Wirex you have earn, where you can put some money, and you're gonna have some return every year. But on Duo is the highest return. If you can see on the right corner here, for example, if you add this cryptocurrency AAAV with Bitcoin, if you put them together, you just buy on the application those 2 coins, and you're gonna stack them here for a period of time with 185% yearly return. For more examples are XRP with 179%. Let's see if I can make it somehow bigger. It seems not. Let's see if we zoom from here. Yes, you can see its percentage here. XRP, it's in 12 hours you get 161.87 return. Let's go back to Duo, and you have a big list here where you can activate more. At the moment I'm only using few of them, but you have, look, this one SNX USDT with 293%, 240%, 200. There are high returns here. You have to study little on Wirex to choose wisely what you choose, because you can win or lose a lot of money in cryptocurrency if you didn't know. And then let's go to the next one, on Radium farms. Let's make it back to 100%, sorry. Alright, on Radium farms you're gonna have to connect your Phantom wallet. I'm using, and I recommend, Phantom wallet, but you can use from the list. When you try to connect your wallet, you're gonna have option to connect more wallets. I'm just showing you what I'm using. You can use whatever you want and select whatever you want from the list. After you connected your wallet, on Radium you cannot deposit money. You have to deposit in one exchange, for example cex.io or Wirex or Binance or Coinbase or whatever exchange you are using. I'm showing you what I'm using. I'm using those because I think Wirex and cex.io have the lowest fees on deposits, transactions, exchange, and other things. Alright, so you send Solana from the exchange to your wallet. You press on deposit Solana, you have the wallet address. You send from the exchange to this wallet. You connect it to the Radium website, and you're gonna see it here, like you see my small balance of Solana here. After you see it here, you go to farms or stacking, but I recommend on farms because it's what I used. If you want to explore more, you have all those options here to explore. And I was depositing and holding on ecosystem. On ecosystem here you have high returns, but of course when it's high return like this one, the risk is high as well. So study well, I give you the tools, you have the resources, make money in your own way. I don't tell you exactly what to do, I'm just showing you what I am doing. Alright, now that I made this clear, let's go on this one. What exactly you have to do? For example, you have two coins here. If you see, one is stable coin USDC and one is shield coin. You go and study about this coin. For example, you see if it have potential to grow, or if it's a reliable coin. I don't know, this is how I do it. For example, I go to coin market cap. We go to coin market cap, and here you search this coin, SHLD. Alright, safe shield it seems to be, yeah, yes, it has a shield icon, one of those, I don't know. You search about this coin, you see if the coin has potential, you return here, you add your liquidity, and you start to earn passive income with 1421 percent per year return. Estimated annual return based on trading fees and earning by the pool on the past 7 days. Alright, this is gonna change, it's not fixed. It depends on how many people are depositing money and the amount invested in that pool, in that ecosystem, and it may change, but here you have them. You have now the three tools where to make passive incomes. One is earn from cex.io, where you have those returns, annual returns with green here on those coins. You have on Wirex this annual return on those coins, and on Radium Farms, let me close this, on those coins, those returns. Look, this one, Solana and AVA, 3,775 return per year. This is crazy. And you put a big amount, you keep it for 10 days because the return is live. When you think it's growing up, you take back your money with your profit, and after you wait for the moment to put it back. It's how I do it. I tell you to study this, you can make big gains here. Alright guys, this I had to say about the passive income in 2022. If you have more questions, ask them in the comment sections. I'm gonna help you. I'm constantly talking with people. If you have recommendations how to keep in touch, to give me advices, let's make money together. Let's find ways to make money together. Me personally, I'm gonna post everything that I'm gonna find until I'm getting to $1 million here on this channel. So subscribe and stay with me.